Hello guys, it is day 2 currently, 5th of February 2026, and first day was 4th of February, it was a Wednesday. First day should have been, of course, Monday, but the thing is, I did make a profit on Monday. But again, I told you that I was suffering with a little psychology thing in trading. I just woke up on the next day, like the 3rd of February, that was a Tuesday. In the morning on bed without even looking at the charts properly. I just took some random trades and blew the account. So I had to deposit 1,000 cents again. That I did it yesterday. I made the profits. So currently we are on day 2, whereas we should have been on day 4. But yeah, because of my mistake, we are lacking by some days. Now for day 2, what do we have? We have a balance of 1,800 cents. From here on, we have to make 800 cents today. That will lead us to 2,600 cent balance. That will be $26 and will be ahead by one another day in phase 1 of Project Escape, day 2. Now, as we continue, I want to tell you something about trading and becoming a trader basically. So, trading 98% of people are not able to become proper traders, not because they are bad at it, not because they are not smart. Because trading is not about theory, it's not only about technical analysis. Technical analysis only about 30% of what trading actually is. The real thing lies inside. Okay, inside you, what kind of a person you are. Okay, how much you have suffered to become a robot, emotionless. You have to become your heart, you have to become a rock. No emotions, no fear, no greed, no nothing. Just executing your strategy, your plan with your proper risk management. That is how you become a trader, right? So psychology is very important, and psychology cannot be developed on a demo account. You need a real account trade. Okay, you'll blow a lot of accounts till you learn exactly what is wrong with you and how you need to change as a person. If you are with the right mindset already, then that's a good win-win for you because your psychology will already be good. Then you just need to master your technicals, and you'll be good to go. So I will be launching a course, my blueprint, in some coming times. After I complete this challenge, I'll have some credibility, of course. So that is when I'll be launching my course, and I'll be going through everything, how you can develop your psychology, and what exact strategies I use, and what others are available that you can be using, because there are millions of strategies in the market, right? And you can choose any one and master it and adjust it to your psychology, and that is how you're going to win. There are certain bad habits as a trader that you need to fix to get on your A game, right? They are on your screen right now. I will read them out as well. So they are overtrading, ego trading, revenge trading, impulsive reactions. Yeah, that is part of trading, right? Then there's FOMO, kind of also applies to trading because there's certain moves you think that they'll go against you, like in your direction, and you'll miss the entry, right? And you take wrong entries with huge stop losses and all of that. That is one thing. FOMO is bad as well. Then there's other things relating to psychology. That is impulsive reactions. Impulsive reactions can be minimized. There's a lot of ways that me personally, I was struggling with impulsive reactions when I was trading on the 1 minute chart, because the 1 minute chart lies, as I said in the past. And because of it, I got very anxious. Sudden candle moves and all of that. I used to set break evens, even not let my trades run, TPs hit, right? and I used to close my trades early even when I was right. Why? Because I was trading on the 1 minute. I mean, using and looking at it, and it was confusing, right? There was too much noise, so that is bad for you. Now there's a lifestyle inflation, of course. As a trader, firstly get your finances straight, right? Get a 6 month emergency fund. Make sure you have stable income through trading if you're doing it full time. That whatever you do, you will be getting at least this minimum amount per month, so you can live a good amount, like a good life without stress, because stress is also bad for you as a trader. It will mess with your everything, your psychology. Yeah, stress is bad for your psychology. Now there's then flex debt for ego, right? Yeah, don't go into debt for flexing and for your ego pleasing, right? Yeah, that's bad for your psychology. EMIs on volatile income, right? Don't go buying any things on EMI on trading income, because trading is very volatile, and there's no certainty. Even if you are the best trader, there will be some months or some days that will be very bad for you, and it will take some time to recover. Well, if you are God, then maybe yeah, you are like the best trader in the world. But if you are a human, then yeah, be practical and don't go buying things on EMI, because that will be stressful for you in the coming times if you are not able to make the required payments on time from your trading income. If you have a job as well, then you're fine. You have a permanent good paying job, and on the side you're trading, then you're fine with EMIs. But only full-time traders, I think, should be avoiding this and buying everything in full cash, because if you are a good trader, then that's easy for you. You can just pay everything full cash. That's no big deal for you, right? Then purchases to impress people, right? That's the main thing. As a trader, you are a robot. Why do you want to impress people? No? You don't have to care what people say. If you're a good person, if you're a bad person, don't care. Just live for yourself, impress yourself, keep developing yourself, do everything for you. No one, not even your parents, nothing. Don't care about anyone. Just your trade and yourself and family that comes from you, because they will be with you by the side forever. Yeah. Everyone else is selfish, so don't care about anyone. Then overeating, junk food, alcohol, yeah, this is just gluttony. This is not related to trading, but it kind of is, because yeah, even these things cause brain fog, and that interferes with your thought process, and that is bad for you. And sugar, caffeine abuse, yeah, all of that. Procrastination, marks planning. This is for projects, like if you're a business running a project or whatever. Scrolling, night owl, skipping workout. Yeah, so these are the bad habits. Skip these. Another very important thing that will be in your trading journey is goal setting. If you know where you are going, it will be very easy for you, right? Like my goals are currently on your screen for 2026. I want to complete Project Escape. Yeah, that will be my goal for this year, of course. And then there's 75 kg and 12% body fat in shape, right? Currently at this exact time I am 94 kgs and around 25% body fat, because I have been slacking. I have not been going to the gym or working out, and that is why I am behind on schedule, right? So I plan to get to 25 kg, 12% body fat in this year, and I will be achieving that through PSMF that I will be starting in some time. And then there's chess. I play chess as well, not professionally right now because I am still learning, kind of, because I haven't been playing for a long time. I used to play with my grandfather when I was a child, like young, like class third, fourth grade. But I didn't continue, like I didn't show much interest in that, and now I have picked it up. I play regularly, and I am improving. My goal for this year is 1500 elo on chess.com and fight as well, minimum. And then there's a 10k monthly income from all the income sources, whatever it is, trading, businesses, passive income, whatever, affiliate referrals, everything. Then there's prop firm funded, right? I plan on getting funded by prop firms. That is another goal. Then there's buy first car and apartment. That is another goal, totally related to finances. And then there's 500k followers and 100k YouTube subs. Right? Yeah, those are uh, two different goals I will be chasing this year. Yeah, that is it. Now, apart from those rules regarding bad habits and life and goals, there are some trading rules that I follow because these are the mistakes that I majorly make. Other than this, I am doing very well in trading, right? So, firstly, I only trade these assets. What are they? This is XAU USD, XAG USD, that is silver, XAU is gold, US 30, NAS 100, US 30 is Dow Jones, NAS 100 is NASDAQ 100, BTC is Bitcoin, ETH is Ethereum, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, XBR, that is Brent oil. Yeah. Now the time frames are 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute. Well, I usually look at all the time frames, but 4 hour higher priority to 4 hour than 1 hour. Yeah, the higher the time frame, the higher the priority for whatever parameters we are getting over there. So let's say a moving average that is uh, somewhere on 4 hour time frame that will have a stronger probability of being strong support or resistance than the same one, like the same period moving average on a smaller time frame. Yeah, so that is one thing. Other than that, what drawings do I make on the charts? They are trend lines. I make trend lines. I draw order blocks. I draw Fibonacci, the golden zone, yeah, to find out some long-term trades, mostly on the daily and weekly charts. Then there's FVGs, fair value gaps. Those are important to identify liquidity zones where the price could be coming back to retest, test it, and there's mitigation zones. These are well above order blocks mostly, and supports and resistances below them. These are where the institutions hunt for liquidity, that is SL hunting and all of that. So very big wicks and a move opposite to the big wick. That is where you see there was a mitigation. Okay. Now there's indicators that I use. I have 20 period EMA, 50 period EMA, 100 period EMA, 200 period SMA. Then there's an RSI with a 9 period EMA on it and a multi-time frame candles. So like on the same chart, I can see multiple time frame candles. I don't need to keep changing the time frame again and again, right? Other than that, for risk management, right? I use some fixed lot sizes, right? So I pre-do my calculations according to the balance for my accounts. So let's say my balance is $100. I'll be only using 0.01, no layering, no lot size changing, right? Then there's set break even and trailing stop, right? So yeah, whenever my trades are in profit somewhat, I always place break even, so like I can trade them risk free. And then there's trailing stop, of course, like if I have a guaranteed confirmation that my profit is running, there's a guaranteed resistance or support that won't let the price come back to my towards my entry, then I move my stop loss towards that, trailing it, so I can secure at least that much profit. Then there's no layering in volatile market. I usually don't layer at all, but definitely in a volatile market, I definitely avoid layering. There's small lot before market open. Yeah, small lot before market open. So basically, what this means is these two rules are for scalping basically. So whenever market is about to open, I usually avoid taking large lots because if the trade gets stuck, I will be having to take an SL, and I don't want to boost blow away my daily stop loss on a trade that wasn't even supposed to take. Because I usually enter after the market opens when I see what the structure is actually forming and what the market wants to do. Yeah, that is why small lot before market open. Stop trading at max loss plus max profit. Yeah, this is a good rule. Is very important for you. Set a daily max loss and max profit. and stick to it. Okay, if you reach your today's target, stop trading. If you reach today's max loss, just stop trading. Other more than that, your brain is fried. You know, like too much stress and all of that. You won't be able to process things that quicker. You have to be on peak performance if you want to do well, right? And there's entry, right? Entry is very important. I used to make a lot of mistakes during entering, especially when I enter. I don't enter anywhere away from a moving average. If a moving average is close, I enter. If it is not, then I do not enter at all. That is one major rule for me. I mean, not even close, it should be touching it. I only enter when a moving average touches. Then there's the candle close. I only enter the candle close, just helps me with the direction. Because let's say, excuse me, the moving average, let's say it is here, the price is coming from above, it is touching it, right? So I will not enter till the candle has closed. You mean what I'm saying? If it touches, that's good. It will reverse, right? But I will not enter till it has closed. Where either it breaks the moving average and go down, goes down, right? So if it goes down and closes below the moving average, that is a good confirmation for me to sell. But if it goes below and then comes up and closes above the moving average, just forms a wick below the moving average, then I am sure to buy. Yeah. So that is how candle close works for me. Then retest, I will not enter for a reversal if there is not has been a retest, right? What I'm saying is, let's say my price came down, it looks to be going back up, right? I could enter for a small scalp, but for a long position, I will not enter till I see a retest, because a reversal is not confirmed strong without a retest, right? Then there's moving average touch. That is my main thing. Moving average touch. And let's check trend. Yeah, check the trend. 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 That's how you say it. Let's check news. And yeah, news is very important as well. If you want to enter a trade, check your news. There's what is support and resistance touch. Yeah, I mean, kind of my moving averages do that job for me. So that is the one thing, because moving averages are dynamic. No institutions are making horizontal lines. They use moving averages, and moving averages are dynamic support and resistances. They are also sometimes trend lines. Maybe not always perfect, but they act the part of trend lines as well. Other than that, targets, yeah, those are some targets things. And regarding trading, scaling accounts, whenever I'm scaling a small balance to like big, or whenever let's say I'm a new trader and I'm depositing like $10, $100, and I make profits. So I'll try to withdraw my principal and have backup. So like even if I blow this, let's say I had $100, I made it 200, right? I'll withdraw the 100, will keep the 100 in the account, and this 100 will be going to my bank account. Now I have $100 to trade with. I'll scale this as far as it can go, taking weekly withdrawals, monthly withdrawals, of course. And if everything blows away, I still have the amount I took withdrawals in my bank account, so I can trade with, and I have capital at all times, and I'm not stuck with no capital, just sitting looking at charts frustrated. Oh my god, I could have taken this trade and all of that. Yeah, that doesn't happen. Keep taking withdrawals. So yeah, day two, I actually messed up today. So I took a trade. It did go towards my TP. It missed it by a little much, and then it went back towards my entry and hit the break even. So it was running in 700 pips profit, but then it closed with only 50 cents of profit. 700 cents of profit from close to 50 cents of profit because of hit and break even, and then it went against me. Then I got a little angry, psychology. So I started, I entered a new buy trade above a moving average. It was a fake out, false breakout. But yeah, I did take a special. I kept entering. I broke my rule. Kept layering, and then I blew the account. So I am going to be redepositing some amount into an account and restarting the challenge. So this was day two. I will count this as day two. Start the new attempt from the 9th of February. That is a Monday. Yeah. So that was it for this video, guys. Take care. It's been Arjun1337. Hope I have been informative for you guys. And see y'all. I'm gonna start the next attempt.